Hey guys, I have a question. How can animals play? Guys, I can't play this game. I have paws, not hands. How am I supposed to press the buttons? Huh? How are we supposed to play games? Huh? Why do they have these joysticks? There should be just little paw buttons. And what about and how are we supposed to play pairs? We can't flip the card. How how are they supposed to talk? Animals can't talk. And how animals don't wear clothes either. Only if they make them, like dogs and cats. This is so fake. And I have a question for you. Why? Why do we wear clothes? Huh? This is what a real animal is supposed to look like. No clothes. Supposed to be black. Brown. There. Here's a real wolf. What about these people? People are so smart on here. The only smart animal is a human. Oh wow, what's a parka? How do these animals know everything? So how do they trade? How do they have pets? They don't know how to take care of pets. It's so crazy. And how are horses? Wait. How can these bunnies fly? Look, you see? Wait, no. How can these bunnies fly? They can't even fly. If they can fly, they don't need wings. And how are they supposed to shop? They don't know how to make money. They play games with their paws, really. They don't have paws. So crazy. How are they supposed to have money? How do they make the money? How are they supposed to know which was which? Or left and right, whatever. How are they supposed to shove it in? So crazy. So, wait. Scrap. How can, look. This is when it's real. I can't fly. I can't climb. I'm a deer. You've got to be kidding me. Guys? Okay, I'll just take something else. So what I'm gonna take. Oh wow, is that the only way up? Great. Just great. That just stinks. And the fake version, they can climb. They're supposed to use their little paws. Gotta be kidding me. And how are horses supposed to dance? They can't dance. Unless they're super talented. And how are they supposed to sleep like that? Horses don't sleep like that. They sleep like that. What's wrong with that?